When we talk about sharing files, we can share files via email, we can change the level of access, we can confirm who has access. We can also look at all the different ways we can remove individual permissions. We can block downloads and expire links so that they're not out there forever. And we can set passwords and stop sharing, of course. Looking at this, I can see my OneDrive dashboard. This gives me that view of all my recent files, recent sites that I often visit. It's just this beautiful view of things that I'm working with on a regular basis. If I wanted to share one of these documents from within my OneDrive, I see this share icon right there on the inventory spreadsheet. I can share it within the organization. I start typing a name and it'll pull up that account from Active Directory. I look at the level of permissions here. I can share with it in this personal OneDrive account. I can have the option to share with anyone, people within my organization, or just people that have existing access. I can set whether the permissions are edit or view, and I can also set a expiration date there at the bottom of the screen or password. In this case, I'm going to share it with an external account. I can copy the link and send it through personally through email, or I can send it directly from this OneDrive sharing screen. And then I'm notified that I have completed the sharing process. If I go to look at that from that external account, I see that I've had a file shared with me. I can open it. I can access it, and this is where that deep integration with the Office apps comes in. I can access it and edit it. And if I switch back to my corporate persona, I can see that a guest contributor, or GC, accessed the spreadsheet and edited that row and is in the cell beneath the grapefruit entry. I can, as my corporate persona, also access a field and enter things at the same time the guest contributor is in that other cell. And you can see as I do that it updates the total of that. And it marks which cell that I'm in there and editing as well. So again, looking at this dashboard, it shows me all of the files that I've shared. The really powerful thing about this dashboard is that I can see things that I've shared, but I also can see things that are shared with me. And this is so incredibly useful because, as you can see, we can send links and show that email and have those links in the email. But over time, that becomes really cumbersome to try to find the links to everything that's been shared with you. OneDrive brings that all back together so that you can see it in one common location.